Welcome to Busan, South Korea! It's our first day here in Busan. I'm so excited to explore this beautiful city. So Busan is the second largest city in South Korea. Ayan, ang dami nating pwedeng ma-explore. And for sure, curious kayo kung saan pwedeng magstay sa maganda at malaking city na ito. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Nampodong or Nampo. According to Google, this is one of the best areas to stay at Busan. Kasi accessible dito yung transportation from subway to bus stations, and then malapit lang dito yung Busan Station. Very accessible. Ang bilis lang ng travel namin from Busan Station to here in our guest house. So ano nga ba yung pangalan ng guest house namin? So ayan, K Guest House Premium Nampo. Alright, so around 1,000 plus lang ang overnight here for 2 people. So, sulit na rin. And ang ganda ng location, ang ganda ng view, everything maganda. Ngayon pa lang, hindi ko pa masyadong nagpag-stayan, diba, yung room namin. Pero, gusto ko na siya. Kung magpupunta kayong Busan, I think it's nice to stay here in Nampo. Nandito kasi yung BIFF Square. That's like the that's like the Myeongdong of Busan. Kung ang Myeongdong, ang food capital, diba, maraming street foods in Myeongdong. For Seoul, sa Busan, I believe it's the BIFF Square yung equivalent. And here, marami ng marami ng establishments, marami ng kainan sa labas. So super nice to stay here. So this is our guest house, K Guest House. Nasa 7th floor kami. So ngayon, mag-tour tayo. Are you ready guys for a guest house or room tour? Let's go. So 10th floor ang reception. Okay. And then 10th floor. Kararating lang namin dito guys. Pero syempre gusto kong i-share agad ang experience here habang malinis pa yung kwarto. Okay. Where to stay in Busan. Ayan, nakakatuwa naman yung elevator nila. Parang super nice. So, free ang breakfast dito guys. Yung breakfast ay sa may reception area from 8 to 10 a.m. Ang ganda ng view nito. Watch out. Ayan, di ba? Beautiful view. I'm not sure kung anong dagat yan. Dade po. Pero, ang ganda. Damang-dama mo ang Busan dito. Itong highest floor, I think. There. This is the reception area. Naswertehan kami kasi early yung check-in. Kasi walang tao sa room. But there are more rooms here. Dito yung breakfast area, guys. Ayan. May toaster. Ang bait ng mga taga-Busan so far sa experience namin. Very nice, ang aliwalas. Sige, punta na tayo ngayon sa room. Okay, 7th floor. Please wear a mask. Sa labas lang hindi mandatory ang face mask. Pero pag indoors, mandatory pa rin. Okay, and wow, ang ganda pa rin ng view guys. Very Busan. Yung beach, ganon. Super nice. And let's go to our room. 710. Here. Ayan. Teka lang. Pero bago tayo pumasok, can I just appreciate the design of the hallway? Super nice. Shucks, ang ganda. And mura pa siya. And wait, may dispenser pala here for water. May hot. Nawala yung accommodation namin sa Hongdae. Wait, gusto ko lang appreciate natin to. Dito sa floor namin. May pa-notice board. And cute! Ayan, very cute. Okay, pasok na talaga tayo, sure na. Ayun. Pinaka-card lang. We're here. Nasa CR ata si Megan. Okay. So, this is our room. Super nice siya. Dito sa Korea, guys, courtesy na you take off your... Ayan, di naman halatang nahirapan ako. Shoes. So, may dalawang sleepers. My gosh. CR reveal. Yun. Cute lang siya, pero super nice. Mas bet kong accommodation na to over our sole accommodation. Ang linis and ang cozy, kahit maliit. Ito. If you shower with your back to door, water will spill over the room. Be careful. Okay, be careful tayo guys. Diyan. And then, here are the beds. Yan, may 2 beds tayo here. And may bintana. Wait lang, tingnan natin yung bintana. Ay, may view. Kahit paano. Yung ano dun. Yung sea. Grabe, yung bada. Bada in Korean, it is sea. Ay. Hanbada. We have aircon there. And ting remote. Na kaya to? Di pa ata. Ganitong aircon namin sa bahay. Yan. Parang saktong-sakto. Yan yung aircon namin sa bahay. I mean, sa kwarto ko. Kaya hindi mahirap gamitin as compared sa nasa Seoul tayo. And ayan, oh my gosh, my beautiful friend, Megan.
Hindi kailangan mag-reapply ng sunscreen.
True. Ganda. I like this room. Ikaw, first impressions?
Oo, maganda. Very cute and cozy.
Cute and cozy, no?
Yes, and it serves its purpose.
True. Na makatulog lang tayo.
And it's affordable.
True. Comfortable, affordable,
cute,
accessible.
Wow.
Ah! When you choose an accommodation, either hotel, hostel, guest house, especially if you're a kuripot, yung things to consider is accessibility, affordability, comfortability. Ano pang iba? May nalimutan ba ako? Affordability. Pinakamalaga, affordable and comfortable and accessible. For me, yun yung 3 things na tinitingnan ko. Kapag nagsasearch ako sa internet, for example, at tanggalin ko nga yung... Wait, tanggalin ko muna guys yung ano ko. Yung quote ko ha. Okay, ganito ko siya para may effect pa rin. So, every time I choose an accommodation sa internet, ang una kong tinitingnan ay location. Location talaga. Oh, for example, in Seoul, it's Myeongdong. Here, ang maganda daw dito ay Nampo. Ayun. May iba pa namang areas. Pero for me, ang attractive sa akin talaga ay Nampo because it's accessible. Nandito yung BFF Square na food haven for people in Busan. Malapit ba sa train station or sa bus station? Ayaw nating naglalakad ng malayo, 'di ba? Super nice and affordable. Nasa around, magkano to Megs? 38,000 won? 38,200 won. So it's around... siguro mga 1.5, ganun. Sorry, i-convert nyo na lang. Pero hindi abot ng 2,000. May desk tayo here na nilagyan na ng gamit ni Megan. And may blower. Correct? It's a blower. Blower. And then stool. And then ref. And then, antaray, may paganito. May parang pa-lampshade si Mayor. And then, of course, mirror. And hangers. Okay, may mga hangers here. Megs, yung towel natin, kasi may towel din eh. Diyan na lang ba natin ihahang sa banyo? And may pa-soap. May remote for the... May television pala. Television. May TV pala. Pwede tayo magkidama dito ng live. Pero walang subtitle. May tissue. And may mugs. Ang cute ng branding nila ng K-Guest House. And of course, may trash bin. And may outlet here. Ang kabog ng pa-warm light. Antare, may accent yung lighting nila here. Diba? Pasok na tayong CR. So, may towel of course. May body wash. May shampoo. Ano yan? Extra damage care rinse. Then here's the sink. Connected yung shower sa gripo dito sa sink. And mirror! Again, ang oily ko na, no? I think I have to retouch. Retouch. Ang comfy ng comforter nila. Very comforter talaga. Oo. Nakaka-comfort ng comforter. It serves its purpose. Sabi mo pa, favorite mo yun. And may dalawang unan. Okay. May dalawang unan siya dyan. Nice. Super nice. I love our accommodation. beauty shot ng accommodation. Alright, guys, alis muna kami. It's lunchtime na. So, magpunta kami ngayon sa Hyundai Beach. Hyundai Beach para mag-lunch and of course, sightseeing. Kasi yun ang favorite ni Megan Beach. Gusto yun ng beach. Kaya sama siya sa Busan. Megs, ang ganda ng napili natin. Tapos kanina, never mo pang sinabi na ang ganda ng napili natin. Salamat kay Dave.
Hala, ang ganda talaga ng napili ni Dave na accommodation as always.
Totoo.
Sobrang thankful ako. I don't know what
Uy,
to do without
maliit na bagay. Maliit na bagay. Ako lang to. Kayo naman. Guys, ako lang to. Charot. Good morning, Imnida. Ay, ang ganda. What a beautiful view, guys. And imagine having breakfast here. And then having your Maxim here. The milk. And cooking egg. So this is part of our accommodation. Free breakfast. Meron tayong cereal. First time natin mag-breakfast, sis. So wow. Ito ang favorite sa mga K-drama. Maxim coffee. And then may toaster and bread. A beautiful view of the sea. Oh, is that your birthday too?
It's his
Oh my god. We have happy birthday as well. We have the same birthday. Singel Chukahamnida. True. We have great friends.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just once.
True. I'm so happy. May ka-birthday ako dito, guys.
Oh, tanongin mo yung name.
Where are you from?
Portugal.
Portugal.
We're from the Philippines.
We're from the Philippines.
You came from the Philippines?
Yes.
Wow.
Correct. No, it's more wow if you came from Portugal because it's
No,
farther.
But we live in the UK, so we came
Oh.
from the UK. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. When did you arrive in Korea?
On Sunday.
Sunday. Yeah.
He's still very young.
Ay, you look younger. You look younger. Yeah. True. It's a Korean air. So what are your plans today now that it's your birthday?
Spa.
Oh, we're also going to spa. Spa land.
Yes. So happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to us. Isa lang. Hoy, kami nagba-birthday dito. Ba't nag-eksena ka? Hello, bida ka. Ayan, may mga kababayan po tayong na-meet. 2 weeks na sila here. Charot. 2 weeks na sila here. Ang saya. So, Meg, naturuan mo na ba siya? Paano magmahal? Ayan, may mga nagtatagalog din po dito, mga kababayan. Ang ganda ng view. So, let's eat, guys. Super nice. Our view here.
Ang sipag naman ni Dave Gino. Birthday niya, naghuhugas siya ng cup niya.
Hindi naman. Ako lang to. Kasi dito sa guest house, sariling sikap tayo. Ang dami ng food, ang dami ng may free breakfast, meron na sa utensils. Of course, we have to do our thing and be responsible eaters. Responsible eaters. Yes. So, thank you.
Literal na Claygo.
Claygo, totoo. Clean and great. It's important. Clean and great. Tara, magugas tayo. Tapos close-up shot sa ayan. Para ma-appreciate yung kamay ko habang nagugugas. O diba? Thank you, Direk. Dapat maganda tayo today's video. Yan. Ito ang accommodation namin. Super cozy. Small but cozy. Tama ba? Paggamit ko ng blower, guys. Kasi baka may mga opa na naman tayo makita. Malay natin, nag-explore din si Jungwon at Jungin at si Taekyon dito sa Busan. Diba? Filipina beauty dapat ang mag-stand out. Just. So we're checking out now. Morning. And allowed naman mag-store ng baggage here and then pick up na lang namin tonight before we leave. Ganda talaga dito. Nakakaloka. I love it. I love the receptionist here. So, totoo. Recommended talaga itong K-Guest House Premium lang po. Bibigyan ko to ng 10 sa kung saan ako nag-book. Di tayo Di tayo sponsored. So, ayaw ko mag-mention ng mga website. Sorry to nila. Kasi naman daming followers, no? So, thank you so much guys for watching and see you in my next vlog. Marami pa akong Korea vlogs, okay? And baka naman gusto yung i-click yung support button or thanks button sa baba.
Tama, kasi birthday niya.
Hala, ba't ba sinasabing birthday ko? Oh my God! Hala! Uy, hindi kayo required ha? Hindi kayo required mag-thanks button sa baba. Grabe! Walang sinabi si Megan.
Happy birthday.
Uy, tama na. Nahiya na ako. Sige na guys, bye-bye. It's okay. 감사합니다.